The power of personalized fitness.
Every person's fitness journey is unique. Using your own data, like heart rate, workout frequency, and progress, can help you tailor exercise plans for more effective results. Personalized training moves beyond generic routines, focusing on what works best for your body and goals.
Understanding your fitness data.
Tracking metrics such as steps, calories burned, sleep quality, and workout intensity provides valuable insights. Wearable devices, fitness apps, and smartwatches make it easy to collect and review your personal health information. This data forms the foundation for creating a custom fitness strategy.
Setting realistic and specific goals.
Analyzing your personal trends allows you to set achievable, measurable goals. Whether it's improving your run time, building strength, or increasing flexibility, your data shows where to start and how to adjust your targets over time for continued progress and motivation.
Adjusting workouts based on feedback.
Data-driven training means adapting your workouts as you learn more about yourself. If your progress plateaus or you notice increased fatigue, the data can guide necessary changes like shifting workout types, duration, or intensity, helping you stay on track and avoid setbacks.
Making the most of technology.
From smart devices to online training platforms, technology empowers you to monitor and analyze your fitness journey. Use these tools to track results, find patterns, and get recommendations, creating a loop of continuous improvement based on real-world feedback.
Start personalizing today.
Leveraging your personal fitness data unlocks smarter, more enjoyable workouts. By understanding your unique needs and strengths, you set yourself up for long-term success and a healthier, more rewarding exercise routine.